Good day, all. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I just wanted to come on and make this quick video that I always say is going to be quick, to show you how I start preparing my containers. Just a quick one, because when I first started putting holes in the bottom of my containers, I tried a few different ways. One, I tried using nails, and I quickly learned that trying to hammering a nail into the bottom of a container will make it break real quick. And then the second thing that I did was to use a drill. And sometimes I still use drills as well, but the thing that I use now is a soldering tool. Now, I actually been doing this since last year, but I saw a video this morning of someone else, Robbie and Gary's Garden in California. They do it all the time, and that's actually where I got the idea from. So I'll put a link down below, because they got an amazing container garden. I mean, they probably have 1,000 containers in their yard. So they're kind of the champs of putting holes in the buckets, but I've been doing it this way, and it is by far the easiest way. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I do it, how fast it is, and how easy it is to do. Of course, what video would be a video without a spot of a demonstration? So I wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing here. And I've already heated up my soldering tool, and y'all, this thing is so handy dandy and one of my favorite tools, because it saves me a ton of time. And on these planters, these are some of the vertical planters that I got from the dollar store, and they stack up, and I think they do have some drainage on them. But I tested it. I put water in here to see how the drainage would flow, and I didn't really see any water coming out of it. So I don't know if I got a defective pot or it just wasn't working for me. So you can see here, I just put a few holes in here strategically. That's why I was going from the inside out, because I wanted to kind of see what I was doing. And I just put some holes on the inside going out on these. And I think this is going to work very, very well. One thing that I would suggest as well is you don't have to press too hard. You want to kind of let the heat do the work for you. Once you put the soldering tool onto the plastic, it's going to start melting, and it makes it very easy. It just turns into butter, you all. Just absolutely butter, and it will go right through. So the longer you leave the soldering iron on, the bigger the hole will get. And you can even move the soldering iron around a little bit to kind of make the holes the way you want it to be. So if you noticed on the bottom of this pot, it does say that you have to put holes in it yourself, which is fine, except for when you forget, like I did when I did the geraniums. And what I did, instead of dumping the geraniums back out, was to take my drill and just drill some holes on the side. But for this demonstration, we're just using the soldering iron. And y'all, this is so fast and so quick. I do like speeding videos up, but I wanted you all to see how fast it is to put holes inside of these pots. Now, these pots I did get from the Dollar Tree, but I've also done this on the bottom of 5-gallon buckets, and it just makes really quick work out of this process. So I'm going to do just this last one to show you how fast it is and how easy. I'm not applying too much pressure. We got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and a 7. Takes about 30 seconds to get these all done. Very quick work, and it just makes life a lot easier. So you all, that's it. I just used like this soldering iron, and I got mine from Harbor Freight. It probably was about $6, if that much. Very, very cheap. They had some that were a little bit more, but it's definitely a great investment if you're going to be doing containers. And I would not recommend using this in the house. You can see it's still smoking because I am still using it. I have quite a few buckets I'm going to do before I put this away. And since this gets very, very hot, you want to make sure the surface that you lay this on, it comes with like a little stand, but it's really flimsy. I just lay mine like on the wooden planter that I have next to me here, but you can put it on something like a ceramic plate and that will work as well. And then you have like some nice little holes. You can make them as big as you want to, and this works really well. So please make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you shove off, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks you all for coming on, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.